Okay, this is a test run of a new camera, so I don't know what the quality is going to be like. We'll have to see. So this is Vulcan repair. This is Mr. Tony's. He should have come pick it up soon, I hope. So I'll do a video to make him think about it again. It had 2 customs replaced on the bottom board, and I think it was 8 bad rams. So let's fire it on. So yeah, that whole section was bad. It was like the custom had totally died. You got sound here?
Destroy them all. Destroy them all. You need some practice.
Okay, so there we go, little quick one there for a camera test really. How do you stop this camera? I don't even know yet. There we go.